Alright, so here we are again. I did put the leak oil connection here, followed up the line and just put it straight in the filling cap for the test. It ran well. I had it up all the way to maybe 120 bar or something. I set this pressure relief valve on. It will work great, but then the old Sachs 50/3 started complaining. It started making some sounds inside here. I think maybe I didn't tighten the clutch basket properly, so I have to take out the engine and fix it basically. Most likely just a loose nut. So that's what I'll do now. Alright, so I got it out. Pretty nice and neat, ready for engine. Got it here in my not so very tidy workbench, but you know, it is what it is. Let's open it up. Alright then, let's see what's going on inside there. Yeah. So, I didn't drain any oil. Might be messy. It's okay. It might not. Let's see. It's not much oil in there anyway, so I have rags just in case. It was very nice though to have the dyno functioning like I had intended. So now I can start testing this engine. I'll test it to whatever power I can get out of this cylinder here. Then I'll finish mine when it gets a little bit warmer in the weather. I'll finish this, put some proper nickel layer in it, and then test this. This is version 1. I have already designed version 2. This is 43mm bore, and my version 2 will be 47. That's the maximum diameter piston you can squeeze down between the block there, so why not just go for the biggest? Okay, so let's see here. Not too much oil, that's good. Gasket still okay, that's good too. Oh, it's not loose, what the fuck? Nice play indeed. Oh, actually, yeah, there is the play. Okay, so that one is loose. That's a weird one to be loose though. The pulley of the crank itself is loose. What the fuck, how did that happen? That's weird. See if I still have my sockets. Wonder if that was 18. No. 17. Yeah, 17. Okay. Alright. I'll be right back on that one. Alright, so it was my own fuck up. I found that I had used the wrong nut here on the crank, so this one didn't properly clamp the cogwheel down. As it was loose, it was just floating on the, what is it, spline or locking pin, something like that. It made a weird sound in the engine, so I thought the clutch basket was loose, but apparently I've done that right, so that's great. So then I can just put it back together again. Should be good for another run. Let's see how that goes. I'll put it back in and do a run for you to see, okay? Alright, let's put it back into the dyno. That's a bit of a hassle, but I think if I bring a bolt, I can hang it like that. Alright, so let's see. That went better than expected. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it continues. Yeah. Course equipment. So twisted and weird. Guess that's what you get when you're welding stuff in place. Okay, so apparently that's the problem. I'll just have to do that the old-fashioned way. Screw it in, as one say. So yeah, those that will not fit, so I have to use some violence there, I guess. Alright, let's see. Okay. It's drilling time then. Okay, I'll do some drilling and I'll get back on. Alright. Okay, so I did some reaming in the hole with a little bit. Haven't tested it yet, so let's see if that did the trick. Almost. That's exactly what was needed. Alright, so let's knot it. Alright, that's 14, I need a 13 there. Easy peasy. That's good. That's good. I remember when I first started this, everything was so easily accessible, I guess you could say. But now when I got all this stuff here, it's like fucking maze to get to everything. I think I have to do a redesign later. So I can smoothen it up. I feel like a circus clown now. I don't know, does that pay well? I might change my profession. It's a circus clown, huh? That'd be something. Alright. That's on. Time for some exhaust. I got this beauty. Bought online, modified it a bit, cut it in pieces, welded it back together so it fits somehow in there. And that's it's a little bit large for this. You can see here, it's a little bit large for this 60cc something, but later on, well, it's definitely better than the stock one because that's just like a pipe. So anyway, let's see. So engaging the threads, that'd be nice. If I turn it down around a bit. Okay, threads engaged. Yep, okay, and then we'll move that here a little bit, just for, you know, for safety, as they say. Good tight. Alright, spark plug, fuel, okay, and then we need this, that's for the actual coil. You're right, throw the rest out there. Then the carburetor piston, or throttle piston, I don't know what's the perfect term for it, but goes in here. Sometimes it's easier than others. Alright. So, exhaust out, fan on. Fuel, we need fuel of course. There we got fuel, and then a bit noisy. I usually have my earplugs on, but for the test, alright, let's see. Fuck, I need the kick. Yeah, put that, yeah. So we need that too, of course. It would be nice to will it into running, but unfortunately, it needs a bit of manual engagement still. Hold on, I'm right there. Just gonna tighten this knot a bit so it doesn't fall off. Yep, good. Let's see what happens if it's still. Yeah, that should be right. Very noisy. Okay, look at this. Okay, so I'll connect all the hall sensor there, load sensor there. I'll do a trial run on the Precision Dynotech first, and then I'll compare with my own and see what's what. Yeah, have a good one.